it's me again. Happy countdown to summer. And we are almost there. We are on day 19. So if this is your first time here, my name is Jennifer from A Day with Jennifer, and I'm doing a collab with Pinkee Jean and also Kel's Kitchen. Now we are already on day 19 because it's almost summer. And I don't know about where you live, but we got triple digits already. And it's lined up for next week. Yeah, it's hot. So, anyways, I've got a little thing I'm going to share. We'll see what Pinkee Jean sent me. She had the odd days. Kelly had the even days. And I did the odd days for them and vice versa for the others. So, anyways, you'll have to go click on their link to see what they, got for today. And you go down below and do that. So, today 19 says, picture me pretty. Feels like a frame. It's a picture. It's a picture. And it's a picture. Oh, it's a pretty picture. Oh, there is beauty in every day. And it is so pretty. Look at that. It's a pretty picture. This looks like I need to find a home for it. It doesn't have a little back on it, but they're really easy to mount on, so I'll probably get one, and I think it would look really cute on the wall somewhere. It's so pretty. So I will be doing that. I like it. Thank you so much, Auntie Jean. If you didn't know, that's my auntie, Pinkee Jean. All right, so today's blessing, I have these wonderful little blessing cards, and so your message for today is not a Bible scripture, but it is just a little sweet message. So it says, trust in the Lord with all your heart. And actually, I think there should be actually a few scriptures that kind of lead to that anyways, but it's a sweet little message for today. So there you go. Have a wonderful Sunday, and don't forget to trust in the Lord with all your heart. That's the message for today. So come back tomorrow. See what we got. Tomorrow is day 20, and then we got 21, the final day. So see you tomorrow. Bye.